Alright, I just received a box. I ordered some jumbo European night crawlers from Lakeshore Vermicomposting in Wisconsin, and also 1,000 of their cocoons. And it just arrived here in Las Vegas. 94-degree weather today. Cooled off the past couple days, but usually it's been over 100. So I got a Lakeshore Vermicomposting sticker and worms sheet. Looks like cocoons in here, which I will open later, and the jumbo European, 1,000 of them. Alright, so it has shredded cardboard, and let me get another container. I'll open them up, see how they're doing. Got some twine around here. See if he looks like he just used a sandbag. See. Okay, nothing left in the bag. Let's see how they're doing here. Here they are, jumbos, nice and fat. Let me see if I can get on this side here. You can see better. Looks like they're doing okay. 1 pound of nice fat jumbo Euros. They arrived here safely. They're all looking good. Alright, so I will leave them as they are while I open up the cocoons. Looks like there's shipping tape all around it. Go ahead and open this up. Let's open this here. Got them all in there. Okay. I'm going to put these guys in their new home And thank you for coming on this journey with me. This is Karen from the Kine Garden Stuff.